All right, so let's see TFS in action. So let's say I'm at home and it's, oh shoot, and been working on my assignment here and it's time to go to school. I want to upload what I've completed so far into TFS. Granted, it's not very much. I've got a form started, but that's okay. Let's just keep going with the idea here. So the first thing I'm going to do is, well, make sure I'm connected. So I'm going to connect to TFS if I'm not already. So I should be connecting. And once I'm connected, I should be able to see my Source Control Explorer, which gives me, oh, these are the things that are currently up on TFS. Okay, I think I'm in good shape. So now I'm going to go back into Solution Explorer, and I'm going to close out my source control here. And I want to make sure that I upload this to TFS. So there's a couple of steps in order to do this. First of all, I want to caution you not to click on the project, but the actual, well, this project, not the solution. So make sure you click on the project file. I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to add this to solution to source control. So this is the first time this has been uploaded, and so we're going to get this option that says add to source control. It's going to ask me where I want to save it. You can make a new folder. I'm going to keep it in Chapter 9 because this is Chapter 9's homework assignment, and it says the folder, solution folder is named Demo TFS, so that looks good. Click on OK. Now it's not uploaded yet. It's simply set up so that it can use TFS. So this is an important step. Make sure you then go into Team Explorer, and you want to make sure that you go to Pending Changes. And in Pending Changes, first of all, you'll see just that. You'll see whatever changes that need to be applied. Well, in this case, everything has been added because this is a brand new project. So it's adding all of these files, including that solution file. That's really, really important. So all of the files that are included for this project are added. That looks good. And the final step is to make sure you check in. So I'm going to click Check In, Continue, and it should let me know that that has successfully been checked in. It's always a good idea to go back into your home, go to Source Control Explorer, and just double check. Well, if I drill down, I should see Chapter 9 Demo TFS, and if I look in that TFS Demo TFS file, sure enough, there's the solution plus the folder with all of the files in it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is pause for a moment, pretend like I'm going to go to school, open this up on another machine and do some work on it, and then come back and show you how you would be able to pick up where you left off. So I'm going to put this on pause for a moment, and I will be right back. Okay, I paused and I went on another machine and I made some changes to this file and I uploaded it to TFS. So let's see how that plays out. So in my last scenario, I said I had this file and I went to school and I uploaded it, and then I made some changes, and then I uploaded the changes, and now I'm back home. So this is how you can see that take place. So I open my local file and I refresh my Source Control Explorer, and this time what you're going to see is when I go into Chapter 9 and I go to Demo, now I should be able to right click on it and choose Get the Latest Version. So it's going to get the latest version, and now you're going to see that I have a text box that I included at school. You're also going to see that I have these little padlocks which says I have the most current version. Okay, so I think I'm going to make a change and then upload my changes. So if I click on the change I'm going to make, I'm going to click on my little text box. I'm going to go to Properties here. Oh, this looks like an interesting one. So it said password character. So I'm going to make this a password field and make it so that all fields that are entered are asterisks. Okay, perfect. So now I can see that when I did that, my padlock turned to a red check mark to indicate that this is not the most, that this has been revised. Then I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to choose Check In. It'll prompt me, did you want to save the changes? Yes, I do. I can look and see that in my included changes, I've got some change here that needs to be completed. So this is the most important part. Don't forget to check your work back in. So now that I'm going to check it in, it's checking in that one change. Everything is up to date, and I should be good to go. So I'll double check in my home and my Solution Explorer. Of course, it's not going to look any different, but nonetheless, this is showing right here as a matter of fact, that this is my most latest version, that everything is now current. So that's the process of uploading and downloading your files in TFS.